Hi guys, welcome back to Unpolished Gardens, and today we are going to go foraging in the woods. I have a few containers that I do every year, and I love just to go and get the greenery from the woods and whatever I see, and we're going to be doing that today. There's a few things that I do bring with me, and I've got some fiskars. I'm going to go see if I can find some loppers because I do like to get some bigger branches down. And this is my handy dandy laundry basket. I bring it with me just to haul things back because sometimes I might walk probably a mile or so through the woods, and I'm going to take you along. And I've come across these, and they look like they're pretty good together. If I give them a shake, they're not falling off. So I'm going to get a couple of... These are so pretty. They'll be really pretty in flower arrangements in the house. And there's a ton of them right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these trimmed off. And I found some, these are the poke bushes, poke berries, and they're all dried up, but if I shake them, they're not gonna fall off. And they're really good to like drape over the sides of planters and containers that you're making. So I'm gonna cut some of these off. And I came across this tree, and I was like, I couldn't believe that there were still green leaves on any of these trees. And then they've got these cute little berries, but there's not enough of them to cut anything off of it. I'll just leave them for the birds. This is really one of my favorite things to do around Christmas time, is just to come in the woods and just be in the still of nature and smell all the smells. It smells like Christmas. It is absolutely one of my favorite things to do this time of year. Smells like Christmas. And I've come up across this. These are going to be really pretty. They're really full and nice, pretty green. Guys, I found some more berries. Oh, we're gonna get some of these. They are gonna look beautiful in one of my containers. Oh, I'm so excited. I forget about this bush almost every year unless I come up by the creek. Oh, so excited. I'm trying to find some pine cones, but these are all that I can see, which are still beautiful. I was hoping to find some pine cones. They look like they wanted to be pine cones. I don't know. Anyways, on to the next one. Our basket is getting quite full. I'm gonna go take it to the house since we're not far away, and then we're gonna go deeper in the woods. Thought I'd give you a quick shot of all the walnuts that I did gather from the walnut tree. And looks like the squirrels have had a really good time. Guess it makes it easier for them. But I fell and broke my foot on these walnuts. That's why I've been trying to keep them picked up. maybe I need to move the bucket. Let me see if I can get up the road without the chickens following me. We're gonna try. They're busy right now. Or do we go that way? Let's go this way. I'm not really sure what these are, but the trees are still green and they've got these little berries on them. I think those will be really cute too. So I think I'm gonna grab a few of these. And you never know what you're gonna find if you go looking in the woods. There's so much that you can use and not cost anything. Oh, these are gonna be so pretty. And I think we're done with basket number 2. I'm gonna go drop that off. So I'm back at the house and I've unloaded the baskets and I'm gonna give you a look at everything I found. It was amazing. I found things I didn't even find last year. So this is gonna be so fun getting these containers together. And like I said, it's not gonna cost anything. They're gonna be so fun to put together, and that should be the video after this video. We're gonna be doing the containers, so I hope you stay tuned and watch. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. You don't wanna miss any of the containers. They're beautiful and they're free. Well, there's one idea that actually costs about, I don't know, $5 or so, but you'll see that. And until next time, bye guys.